Hi everyone, welcome to Yoga and You. I'm Sanjana Prasad. Today we're going to be practicing a few stretches that you can add to your morning routine. Not all of us have a full-fledged practice first thing in the morning, so these are some simple stretches that you can do as soon as you wake up, even before you get off the bed. Let's get started. You're going to find a nice comfortable cross-leg position. You can do this on your mat or on your bed itself. Let's start by rubbing the palms together nice and tight, generating some heat, and you're going to bring this warmth to your face. Cup your palms over your eyes, over the forehead, cheeks, just feeling the warmth on your face, and slowly relax, just shaking your wrists out, hands out, and coming back to stillness. Let's start with the neck. As you inhale, lift your chin up, look up. Exhale, chin down to the collarbone. Inhale, lift the chin up. Exhale, chin down to the collarbone. Inhale, lift the chin up. Exhale and chin down. You can do this 5 to 8 times. Come back to center. Drop your ear towards the right shoulder. Inhale, center. Exhale to the other side. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. One more. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Coming back to center. Next, inhale. You're going to lift your shoulders up towards the ears. Open your mouth and exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Again 5 to 8 times. Inhale up and exhale. Start to make gentle rotations. Free inhale and free exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4 and opposite direction. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Relax. If you have space, you can open your leg out to one side. If you don't and you're on your bed, you can still stay in comfortable cross-leg position and do all of the movements that we're going to do. You're going to open your leg out. From here, as you inhale, lift your arms up, interlock, big nice stretch. Exhale and bend to your right side. Inhale and stretch up. Exhale and twist. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale, bend to the right. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale and twist. One more. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale and right. Inhale, stretch up. Exhale and twist. Slowly you're going to bring your foot back, but it's going to come back into butterfly position and you're just going to flap the knees open. We're keeping all the movements dynamic because this is in the morning and you want to bring in that energy to your body. So lesser holds and more movement. Once you've done this about 10 to 15 times, slowly switch to the other side. Stretching the left leg out. Inhale and lift your arms up. Lengthen through the sides. Lift your chin up. Exhale and bend to your left. Inhale and up. Exhale and twist to the right. Inhale and up. Exhale and bend. Inhale and up. Exhale, twist. Last one. Inhale and up. Exhale and bend. Inhale and up. Exhale and twist. Slowly back to center. Once again, we're going to flap the knees up and down a few times. And we're going to prepare for a forward fold, but this time we're going to do a dynamic forward fold. Sit up nice and tall. Inhale. Exhale, down. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Adjust your grip according to what is comfortable for you. Inhale, exhale, down. Inhale and up. Shifting onto tabletop position, coming onto your knees and palms. Spread the fingers nicely. Inhale, lift the chest up, arch back. exhale and round your back. Inhale, lift the chest up. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, lift the chest up. Exhale, round your back. And now we're going to do a gentle rotation with the entire spine. We're combining the neck, the spine and your hips. So allow the body to move however it's comfortable for you. Listen to the body, it will give you direction as to how to move, to release. You find your muscles opening up, especially around the back and hips. And slowly you come back to center. From here, walk your palms forward. Find an easy puppy dog pose. Just your forehead down, sink, stay there. About 5 to 8 breaths. Inhale and slowly walk your palms back. Sitting down, keep your legs in front of you. Your knees are bent and feet down. Now from here, you're going to take your right ankle, place it on your left thigh. For some of us, this might itself be quite challenging. If you're very comfortable here, you can slide your left leg back more. Use your hands behind you to sit a little taller. Allow your hips to open up here. Keep your knees away from the chest, sit tall and breathe. If you're still very comfortable, use your right palm. Gently push the knee away from you. 5 to 8 breaths here. Once you're done, release and switch sides. Again, see if you can bring the foot closer, sit taller. Still very comfortable, use the left palm, keep pushing the knee away. Slowly release, relax. Use the support of your hands on your bed or on the mat. Stretch the legs forward and you're going to point your toes and flex. Point and flex. Point and flex. Point and flex. You're going to use these two movements to complete rotation for your ankles. So let's point to the right, flex to the left. Full rotations. 2, 3, 4. Switch directions. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Bend your knees. Drop your knees to the right side. Turn and look over the left shoulder. Inhale back to center. Exhale to the other side. Inhale center. Exhale to the right. Inhale center. Exhale to the left. Inhale center. Exhale right. Inhale center. Exhale. Come back to neutral. Come into a comfortable cross-leg position. Interlace your fingers behind your back. Open your chest. Inhale. Exhale and fold forward as much as you can. As you stay here, surrender completely all of your energy to the rest of the day. Set positive intentions and set them with full faith and sincerity. Inhale and slowly roll up, lifting your chest up. Exhale and release your hands. Close your eyes, find stillness and take a few deep breaths here. Settle your breath. And whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes and get on with your day. I hope that practice gives you a good start to a beautiful day. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for joining me.